the bank in the house. I got bank. I got the bank in the house. I got bank. I got the bank in the house. I got bank. Money, got Christmas money. And if I find some, I put it in a bank. And then if I have lots of money for college, I'll be ready in no time. Hello, my name is Zion. Hello, my name is Saria Phillips, and we are selling banks. At banks, this is my savings bank, and I am saving for $50. When I receive birthday money or money from chores, I add it to my bank. I got $2 from chores, so I'm gonna open. So I would like to use my money meter to track my savings. This is how it works. So I open the lid of my jar. I get a pencil, and I put how much I have, and then I write how much I had. So I started with $14, and I add 2, which equals 16. And I have $16. I can save for charity, college, or for something I want to buy. I got bank. In my bank, I have $27. But when I earned $2 from my chores. And then I write the date I got my $2. But first, so no one takes my $2, I put my $2 in my jar, so they won't go away. And then I write the date I got them. I got them on the 10th. And if you made it wrong, you can erase it. And then write it over. And then I write the deposit. The deposit was $2 when I earned my chores. But my previous total, it was 27. But in total, so we have 2 and we have 7 more. That is 29. And then on my total, I write 29. I got bank. Go to our website, www.igot-bank.com. You'll see all the information you need to know and all the tools we're going to use. And you can see how much they buy. And if you don't want to buy it, it's okay. Just tell us if you want to buy a few things. You don't have to buy all of them. You could just buy 2 or 1. Bye. I got bank. I got the bank in the house. I got bank. And here's our banks. I have one more thing to say. So we will let you choose if you want a bank with a smiley face money or what? Or a girl. Yeah, and if you're wondering who that is, you might have to ask one of us because it's one of us. Because we can't tell you. So we'll let you choose. And we can also let you choose which color if you want. Bye. I got bank. I got the bank in the house. I got bank. I got the bank in the house. I got bank.